What is going on, dopest family of YouTube? I got something in today that I'm pretty excited about, and you'll see why in just a second. Lovely garage. Now imagine it with no sunlight. Ready? That is all I have for light at night, and it's pretty piss poor if you ask me. So in the last couple of weeks, Tyler and I have been working a lot in the garage in the nighttime, and these lights just don't suffice. So Tyler and I said it was time to upgrade. And this is what I'm upgrading to. So nothing but good things to say, reviews on these guys. So we're gonna see just how good they are. These ones are 6,500 Kelvin, 6,000 lumens. So I think that's like the best combo from what I could tell from people talking about them online. That's what they look like. There's only one problem. I have to somehow get all the way up there. So hold on one second. I'm going to improvise. That's right. I am going to climb on the top of my 4Runner and install the lights. What do you guys think? That's still pretty high, but I'm gonna give it a go. Here goes nothing. This is the first time I'm climbing on the roof of my 4Runner. It's pretty scary. So I want to put my phone down. All right, I made it. It's still scary. I don't know if the roof can hold my 200-pound body, but oh yeah, she's right in reach, guys. Look at that. Look how glorious this is. The only crappy thing is now I have to move the Supra and do this package on it. All right, she's installed. I just don't know where I want those things pointed. Flat or just a little pointed on an angle so it spreads the light. I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. Just a hair, just a hair angled. See, if I was smart about this, I would have left one of the doors open and put my foot on the seat, but I didn't. And I have no idea how I'm gonna get down now. I got down. Let's go compare. Y'all ready for the comparison? This one is an LED already though. Just beware. Ready? I can see that they're uneven. That's gonna annoy the crap out of me. Hopefully I can push it up with a stick. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh yes. Much brighter indeed. Let's put the other one in. Right, everybody. They are now installed. Let's do the moment of truth. Ready? Yeah, those are extremely brighter than the bulbs that were in there. I had to move the 4Runner up, move the Supra out, move the STI out. And yeah, it's not picking it up on camera, I don't think, but they are very bright lights. So I'm pretty stoked about that. These are the lights that I got off Amazon. 6,000 lumens compared to the incandescent, which was 500 lumens, give or take. So it's extremely brighter than the incandescent bulbs. And there are the specifications of it right there. So it's about 6,500 kelvins temperature / color and 60 watt. So yeah, no, they are awesome. Super impressed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's not directly car related, but it's indirectly car related. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, peace everyone.